Welcome back. This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm getting a little better, and we're going to try to do a show this morning. See what happens. Um, I've got a new Kindle Fire, and it's pretty amazing. I can't believe the device that you get for the price. Now, let's take a look at this. This was actually sent to me by one of my subscribers, and they have two offers. They have one with special offers and one without special offers. And notice that the price without special offers is more. And my understanding is what this is you get some special deals like this underground software where normally for some of the games you have to pay additional cost when you're getting into the game. Well, Amazon is including those additional functions. But, and I don't, the one I have doesn't have that, is if you have the special offer one, which is cheaper, $49, when you first turn it on each time, you get a little short ad and you just kind of get it out of your way and go on. So that's the drawback of getting the better price. But anyway, what I wanted to show you today is some applications you can get for this tablet or any Android tablet for that matter. And here's the one. I've been looking at this application for quite a while, really, probably over a year. And it's a shortwave broadcast schedules by Black Cat Systems. Black Cat Systems is pretty well known in radio listening and stuff like that. They've been around for a while. And the reason I've hesitated on getting this, even though it's only 99 cents, is it's got very mixed reviews. Some people really like it, some people hate it, and then there's people in between. As you can see, there's 18 customer reviews. I'm not going to go over those. You can go over those yourself. But I'm going to try to illustrate what it can do. Now, what I've been trying to do for the last hour is get my camera to focus properly on the tablet. And my cheapo cameras just will not do it. They always seem to be out of focus except for maybe a second. I tried autofocusing, that didn't work. I tried manual focusing and holding it at a certain spot so it'll be in focus. That didn't work. So I gave up. And I don't think you're going to miss anything by not seeing actually the device. I'm going to show you these clips right here. Open them up. And this is what it is. It's a listing of the shortwave bands by frequency or by time or by band. You can pick one of the meter bands. And you can even do a search for a particular station. And what it initially does, it gives you this listing of stations by frequency. And it starts at like 27 hertz. Yeah, 27 hertz. So it's pretty extensive. Now, what I've read in the reviews is the data in the database is stale. Well, one of the options is to update the database. And it appears to go through those motions. Now, whether it's updating it or not, I don't know. So then you can, once you get this listing over here, you can click on one of the stations and it brings up this listing that gives you the exact frequency, the start and stop time of a particular transmission, location where the tower is, the target, what area of the world they're trying to target, and in the language it's being broadcast at this particular time interval. You can also search by time. And then here's just a close-up of the same thing. Here's another listing, and it gives you, in the total listing, it gives you the frequency, the time the broadcast starts and stops, the name of the broadcast, and the language. All very familiar. And then there's a close-up of the same thing. Okay, so that's what it gives you. Now, one of the drawbacks is you'll notice, and it's not a big deal, but it would have been nice if they'd have had column headings here that stayed on the page. I mean, once you've used it for a few seconds, you know what the columns are, but it'll be nice to have that. So it does a pretty good. Plus, here's showing at 16 hertz. It's pretty extensive. It gives you a portable schedule, is what it does, and it's searchable, of course, like I said, and you don't have to have your computer on and use those schedules that are on the internet. When I try to do my shows and I'm trying to listen into my shortwave radio and I've got my camera on and my computer on, computer causes interference. So I could use my video camera, my handheld video camera, vintage, about 1990 or something like that, and then I'd get rid of a lot of the noise, and I could use this as my schedule. So I just thought I'd show you that. I've showed you other Android apps that you can get related to shortwave listening and scanner listening. So yeah, try this one out. One last thing I'm going to talk about for a second here is a problem. I use this website, short-wave.info, and I use it a lot. I really like it. Well, a couple of weeks ago, I went to use it, and I was using this option here where you can select any station at a given time. So you have to unclick now, and then you put in the time you want. I'll watch it work this time. I'm just going to pick 1100 GMT, and then I'm going to say go. And it worked. But if I try 00 GMT, go, it's back to now. And typically 0000, yeah, 0 it's UTC or GMT is when I'll normally like to listen to shortwave. And sometimes it's not that time, so I want to get a schedule in advance, and this is just not working. I talked to the author. He hasn't figured out what the problem is, but he's working on it. So I hope he gets it fixed soon. And another thing I tried, let me see if it works now. Try 31 meter band now, and that works. That's working. Okay, so he's got one little glitch at 000 UTC. Now let's just try just beyond that. Let's try, oops, what did I do that for? Oh, I gotta click this off first. Now, 0, 0. See, I can't change it. It keeps going back. Okay, click on here. 0, 0. And I'll leave it 20 minutes. Go. That worked. So it appeared to be a problem around 0000. I don't know what it is. I guess the workaround is not put in an exact number. Let's try 5 minutes. 005. Okay, that appears to work. I say appear, although look at how few stations but they are, you can see the 00 in there. It's not many stations. And typically at 0000. Now let's try 23, 23, 58, 58. If that'll work. That actually said 57. That seemed to work. 23, yeah. So there's a little quirk there. I don't know what exactly the problem is, but I cannot get it to accept. Let me see if it'll work now. Make a liar out of me. See if it'll work 00 now. Nope. When I put in 00, it goes to now, which is 1322 right now. So anyway, thought I'd show you this. I hope you'll get it fixed. I love this website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.